Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is February 24th, 2026, and we're diving into JBT Marel's fourth quarter and full year 2025 earnings report. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. JBT Marel has had an eventful year, and I'm excited to discuss their performance and future outlook.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. JBT Marel reported a record quarterly revenue of $1.08 billion for Q4 2025, and full-year revenue reached $3.8 billion. John, how did they manage to achieve such impressive numbers?
JBT Marel's strong revenue performance is largely due to their successful integration efforts and a customer-focused go-to-market strategy. They capitalized on cross-selling opportunities and saw a demand recovery in the protein end markets, particularly in poultry. Their gross profit margin for the quarter was 34.5%, which is a testament to their operational efficiencies.
And how did they fare in terms of earnings per share?
They reported an adjusted EPS of $1.98, which beat the forecast of $1.92 from 4 analysts. This indicates strong earnings power and effective cost management.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. JBT Marel has also made significant strides in operational efficiencies. Can you elaborate on their synergy savings and cash flow?
Absolutely. They realized $43 million in synergy savings for 2025 and achieved a free cash flow of $250 million. This strong cash flow allowed them to deleverage their balance sheet, bringing their net debt to EBITDA ratio down to 2.9x. Looking ahead, they have set a revenue guidance of $399 to $4.065 billion for 2026, indicating continued growth.
That's impressive. What are their expectations for the coming year?
For 2026, JBT Marel anticipates further synergy savings of approximately $60 million and expects to maintain strong margins and earnings growth. Their strategic initiatives and focus on integrated solutions should continue to drive performance.
Segment realignment and strategic initiatives. JBT Marel has realigned its reportable segments. Can you tell us more about this change and its impact?
They've restructured into 2 segments: Protein Solutions and Prepared Food and Beverage Solutions. This realignment reflects their integrated operating model. The Protein Solutions segment generated $1.716 billion in revenue with a 20.1% EBITDA margin, while the Prepared Food and Beverage Solutions segment brought in $2.082 billion with a 17.2% margin. This strategic move is aimed at enhancing focus and driving growth in these key areas.
How does this align with their strategic initiatives?
It aligns perfectly with their strategy to optimize food yield and efficiency, improve food safety, and enhance customer value through integrated solutions. This focus on high-value segments is expected to bolster their market position and drive long-term growth.
CFO insights. Let's discuss the insights from JBT Marel's leadership. What did the CEO and CFO have to say about their performance and future prospects?
CEO Brian Deck expressed confidence in their positive outlook for 2026, highlighting the successful integration efforts and the better together approach. CFO Matt Meister emphasized their strong cash flow generation and the ability to deleverage the balance sheet, which underscores the earnings power of their business. Both leaders are focused on advancing their customer value proposition and capitalizing on cross-selling opportunities.
It sounds like they have a clear vision for the future.
Indeed, their strategic focus and operational efficiencies position them well for continued success in the coming years.
Key takeaways. In summary, JBT Marel has delivered a strong performance for 2025, with impressive revenue and earnings growth. Their strategic initiatives and operational efficiencies have set a solid foundation for 2026. Key takeaways include a revenue of $3.8 billion, an adjusted EPS of 198 cents beating the forecast, and a free cash flow of $250 million. Looking ahead, they have set a revenue guidance of 3.99 to 4.65 billions for 2026.
That's right. JBT Marel's focus on integration and customer value is driving their success. They are well positioned for continued growth and profitability.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on JBT Marel's performance in the comments below.